Hello again, everybody. This is Mr. Dunaway as we start working on Chapter 1, Section 6. And if you forgot how to tell where I am, remember, you can always see it right here. Remember, first number is chapter, second number is the section that we are in currently in the book. So, let's jump right into things here. I find sometimes that students have done this before, and hopefully this will be an easy one for you because you've done this. And we can do a lot of fun things with this as we get into graphing ordered pairs and relations. So let's just jump right into things here. I believe if you look at your notes, you'll see a big white space. There was supposed to be a line right there. If you want to draw that line, you can, but it didn't show up in yours. But that word right there in mathematics, that's coordinate system. It's two words. Coordinate system. Or coordinate plane. That one's printed on there for you. It's used to locate points. The coordinate system is formed by the intersection of two number lines that meet at right angles at their 0 points. And here you see it right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill in some blanks here that again I took out for you. Right here, the vertical number line right here. Right, this line going up and down, I'll tell you right there what that is. That is the y-axis. Okay, the vertical line going up and down, vertical, it's up and down. In this blank right here, the 0, 0 point, which is right there, they call it 0, 0. We call that the origin. Origin, whoops, that's O-R-G-I-N, okay? That's called an origin is basically the place of beginning. You always start at the origin when you plot points, which is what we're learning here. And then over here we have another blank for you to fill in. The horizontal number line, that is called the x-axis. And it's usually labeled on the axis just like we did right there. Okay, so you have y-axis, x-axis, and origin. 3 vocabulary words, 1, 2, 3 that you do need to know. Right, so keep those notes handy as you go through this lesson. And then in the next area it says and then that's a blank there. I think that did print. It's a little off center, but you get the point there. The word we want in there, that's 2 words actually, so you might have to write kind of above like I did. Ordered pairs. Ordered pairs of numbers is used to, or I guess an, would be better to say an ordered pair. I guess it sounds better there. An ordered pair of numbers is used to locate any point on a coordinate plane. The first number is called the x-coordinate. Now that you need to know that. The first number is the x-coordinate. Okay, that's printed on your page, but make sure you know that. And that is right in this example, that's right there. The second number, it's getting confusing with all these lines now. The second number is over here, the y-coordinate. The second number is the y-coordinate. Okay, so you see it right there. The box right here is showing you that. I'm going to grab my highlighter. This would be a nice highlighter place for you, or underline. Okay, the x-coordinate. All right. X-coordinate is that first number, the 4. In that example, 4 is the x. The second number is the y-coordinate. And in this example, in that particular example, the y-coordinate is 5. Now we will use those numbers to plot points and we will see how to do that here on the next page. We will use that since that's the x value, the x-coordinate. You might draw this line like this. X-coordinate means how far you go left and right. In this case, you would go to the right 4. Negative numbers would be to the left, but the y-coordinate, that tells you how much is up and down because the y-coordinate was up and down and the x-axis was left to right. So if we go down here, I'm going to just finish up this side of the paper. It's a short video, which is good for you, but I want to get these words, and then I'll start a new video for the actual notes you'll be taking in class. It's about relations, which is what all these are. They're called relations. A set of ordered pairs such as this. So here you've got this set of ordered pairs. Those are called a relation. The whole group is a relation. A relation can also be shown in a table or a graph. The blank, okay, so there's a blank here. If you want to draw it in, you can. Of the relation is the set of x coordinates. The word that goes in the blank there, I'll switch colors here for you. The word that goes in the blank here, the x coordinates, goes in this blank, is domain, D-O-M-A-I-N. It's the value of the x coordinates. Think of it like this. See this relation right here of these numbers? All of these values right here, those are the domain. The domain is 2, 3, and 4. See how I did that? I hope so. I'm going to erase that. You can keep it in your notes, but mine gets a little busy if I don't erase it. The next word here, the blank of the relation is a set of y. That is range. Okay, range is the y coordinates right here. Okay, so look right there. The range in this example, 3, 5, 1, those are all the y values, right? Because it was x, y, that's what we learned up there. The first number is x, second number is y. So we call the range 3, 5, and 1. Okay, so let's review this page. You need to know that the domain is the set of x coordinates. The range is the set of y coordinates. And then you also need to know up here that the first number is x, the second number is y. And then on the next page, in just a few minutes, we will learn how to plot those points if you don't remember. And that should do it for now. Have a nice day.